Straightcurve. Flex 240 mm, step-by-step installation. Recommended tools: ground leveling tools, a rubber mallet and a hammer. Step 1. Mark edgeline on ground and lay out hedge pieces nearby. Step 2. Place first two edges front face down on the ground with ends touching and with joined slots aligned. Step 3. Join using the joining set. First break the pieces apart by hand. Insert the L-shaped slider through adjacent bottom slot. Step 4. Hammer the wedge in firmly and repeat step 3 for the top slot. Step 5. Slide the joining plate under the folded top with the bottom of the plate in the slot on the flanges. Use a hammer to hammer it into position. Step 6. Set these two edges upright and flex to position where desired. Use fixing spikes as temporary placeholders. Step 7. Introduce further lengths against the now standing edge, connecting them as you go. Step 8. Check the line, then hammer all fixing spikes through foot tab holes. Step 9. Now attach the turnbuckle of the universal bracing set to the top bracing lip. Use the maximum length of the chain where possible. If shorter, a minimum 45-degree angle is required. Then hammer the T-shaped stake to secure the panel. Step 10. Use the turnbuckle for fine adjustments. Step 11. Backfill to finish. For more information, visit straightcurve.com.